again. Mentally, you're moving. Almost there, I'm in feet. One pause in life. It's all about the journey. The journey. The journey. The journey. The journey. The journey. The journey.
Yeah, that one say Sabrebia Mujebre na Motsnasi Eherde Jenny or Adum TV. Now what you saw your sign Eshia or Adum TV so na yen komo twitwe and I de baba hihye so. Now what you dear ye baba sua de pa. Abrabo mu na ya na ye hia empenyufo be on betnet ye on how to even ye be prepare ye sika ne niam bi betimi ama abrabo no akonkan amayen. Nti ene de mesro fa pen ni paper na tenas ne ye baba sua de. So na be ya wa wo fia untimi manage wo finances ne niam bi no. Ene ye baba chere me nyina ayesua de 2022 aye nkonimde aye hira ama ye nyina ansa na me guest no ebetu dwa no maminda aboafo masomase na watch bia metimi de journey bro e wo Adum TV e time here about mixture osi malaria de waju anitam afi give us clean care osi oba siesie fie na fie enye kama afi lip tomato paste osi oba no aduane na aduane nye de na aduane be ye de wo fie dia eno ani lip enemy guest no eye coach Ekow Eshun and I mean no nkomo e wo de Janice papa akwaba
mini aka mechoso
ye da was say na de home face to face ye tell who social media and few days you've been trending a lot.
Yes,
because you carry a lot of weight with in sema eya woka na ye hwe bibia ya na wo kire how to make money.
Yes,
e die mpa na ma that dream an idea to do that.
Okay, idea mana me started say me yes and say me ya was certain kind of programming be ya programming from ye ni ba
okay
ebesi ye mpene fie so no e wa Africa na ye believe say empire bo e ye bibia
okay
enti obi ho kire na me nka say empire bo nye bibia obi ho kire na okwa na okobon empire nyame be o misika sem ye fasting ne ma be fine na sofo so aman direction say bompaye we say prayer topics we say fe bompaye nyam be bie kwan ento hu say ye preaching a free pulpit ni bi so ba no akoye say e say nipa wo depend e wo obiso
e wo yeah
what I say because you say nyankopon be bie kwan this week financial doors bompaye nyankopon you obuafo ma but sa nyama we nya biblical because adenti ye kasisika money is in people and it will always flow from them to you if you have something valuable
that will attract them to you.
Yes, enti nipa na wo bon pa na se nipa na wo ye ka kire ne say this week financial doors be bie ni ade no e de ba ade na ekuta na
o de kwaji
financial breakthrough
yeah
oni bi but wa ka kire ne say this week financial doors be bie ama no e bia na sister bi wa brochi ni nua bi wa brochi sa ni nua na wo tia brochi ono oya adwuma
yeah
obi adwuma mienu obi wa ona no ye adwuma mienu na o bompa say nyankopon ma wonya favor e wo send nipa nan but I believe say e sa kind of enchire no because mental because asase so no without sika bibia ni wa betumi ayi asase so enti eno na motivate me amemi hu say no enema bi ye ko wrong enti no it say you to make sure say enkola na omunyi ba no from akola because you say na man be catch o kan sika man hey when you bring sika akola ni kwa say no but say wo ba no wo kire ne kwan a
ye faso nya
sika because school yen kire kwa faso nya sika
okay
enti obi betumi awie university 3 years 4 years na or believe say aban ebe man adwuma or believe say obi your baby be man adwuma but the thing is 4 years 3 years they make say when we school 2 years now when adwuma throw away the certificate and begin to think like you don't have any certificate because obi a only certificate no only bibia or then ho to so and to be more every man for we brown ma omonko university am I successful
but a lot of them can billionaires near a continent of Africa
yes
omunyina nko school
yes enti sa perception as some I did some programming the from collaboration say co school na be successful wrong. Any school no any man na school no and you be na atnas in ordinary actual. I believe so person doctor, person lawyer, engineer co school, but person businessman, professor now on what say business only business
because on your business in failure,
yes.
So there is no idea.
There's no only idea what does NTA Kasika see to me as a sign dream efasika semu okromadum say. Okay. And you say African we need to change because there's this guy in India, friend Ritesh Agawa. As at last year, we interviewed 26 years over 43,000 hotels in India. 43,000 hotels. 43,000. Yes, all YouTube. 43,000 hotels. 1, 2, 3, 43,000.
It means only India.
Yes, 26 years. So this year, 27 years.
How?
Only university qualification from a poor home. So why don't we think outside the box? And you say, and it may be a wokroma be and I say, Africa, we can change it. What does able to me cocoa banche and you may walk room hanum na and able to me at Danana basic kamana. But ya doing say because you're wrong information, wrong program is a Kosuko school ya trying to buy more juma. And I say here sika kwada kompa financial freedom yen sike financial freedom in free sorry them. Oh that's it. Financial freedom fast fast in Mexico. True. There is no money in heaven. The cedi and dollar is not in heaven.
Is in you.
Yes.
To seek it.
Yes. Because sika in the olden days the quite sika fast so we as say. The friend the butter trade obi come market obi kuta punching obi kuta bia by the normal exchange. What I say. And a man for try say was okay. Yemfa adebiti sika and the paper say started from cedi and money and the flew about just gold na be do by this time. They say you call money they say sika paper say cry etwam.
So okita okada utukwa you okay.
Oh that's it. And adentina your bomb price nyame ma sika. Men ka say men bomb price nyame bomb sika. But I believe say wu nipa no u develop o skill be nyame pon de amawa. Na opposition o skill na you will attract money. Yeah. They will look for you. Small boy, Afeni Jan. Our AS Roma. Small boy, I think were 17 was 18 years. Country like Ghana, population of 30.8 million. Yeah, Pabo, which was a honorable Black Stars mine. It didn't because Okuta Bibia. Yeah. And they say only Bibia Obi here. There is nowhere Obi this Kabedebema. But say Ubon pass Nagopon and financial breakthrough. Ubon pass I think connect with destiny helper. And we are Christopher be Adane Sebiu beggars. Own sending me 200 cities, own sending me 100 cities.
Once they can work.
I will bet me a juma.
Yeah.
So, and me believe we say
the
mentality. Yeah, my ko juma na papa ko juma no befia. No wato yogurt, wato calipo, wato plantain chips, meat pie no dey benema. Da bena kruma da bena parents be wo no man. I say what everyone say 98% of parents obi enu wo kokrom no ba auto books. Apart from say books are ne ya trama kola no e wo school so obehia no papa bi no be ko bookshop say me ko to book say me man enye no munzia which is wrong o tatale ma ba o to friend saying mpaboa ne ade ma ba o tumi to mobile phone ma ba wadi 11 years 12 years but untumi opia untumi to book say akola enye book no ngan ana books na what is this what is a b what this is elephant eno na Mexico eno na Mexico. Oh, that's it. Because mathematics, ne obi na crofo na national or matros animal. But maybe believe say I don't believe in school, but I believe in education.
Okay.
Because school na nema na esu no, maybe believe say nema e mani padi, nema e mani pa in living the purpose wa brabom. Okay. Because em fan say what they order back to school. Other na school system enchire e kwanya akola be discover the talent. Okay. Now what position the talent to it because we are bibia school aye ko ni bibia ni nan se dipa benyeska and that then yenchire sa na man wo school yenchire and you say we school na ko paduma na kroma hwe obi ye teacher ni and obi ye nurse ni and sana obetumi atop plot I so ko di loan
and sana teacher ni ana government worker better plot no aje ukwaji loan abosome ya tetew yentwa ye ho kwaje nkrato ye ba ye besua mo Yakwaji Enkrato Aba Oguswa Eshe de Jenny Ewo Adum TV so. And then my guest ni coach Ekow Eshun and a yetwitwin komo afa how to make money, how to be successful in life. And oni ye FM intitinase na yensuande. Yehu so social media a lot nkofo etro ni ade. When yankofo bia they want you to mentor them.
Bebre.
And how is the results?
Because university for no kind of doors. And because of social media ne Ghana nkwa.
Ekati across.
Yes,
bebre. Yankofo ni bie.
Yes, yankofo ni bie.
With name bia na omo engine ho.
On say believe say o tena officer.
And oye.
You be successful. But yankofo bebre on say no. Ya papa nom na ye nye maam ne ya papa na ebi ya kuafo. Na o ma nya sika ntina Africa no kua ne sa ne ma time.
Yeah.
But there is this guy or YouTube Ghana name Rethinking Education or the final year law school sika so to the school fees at the started charcoal factory. Charcoal no or the kube home and the jabedino. Obi obabe law school and the sika say or the kutu and so the started charcoal business.
And why big?
What does Okuta the biggest charcoal factory in Africa? What does Entinum it just said one, education, your school system is a ma baby. Adentina secondary school. Some obi so me person me visual art, person me science. But the entrepreneurship and kasa was secondary school.
Yeah.
What that? I might try to be our subject in
yeah.
I didn't know that if you dispense PresidentEkufuado say open say teacher new to be a millionaire. I saw your business count.
Okay.
Recently, finance minister said government payroll no I am
man I so go pay BBA.
Yes, and I didn't yen school system, yen science system.
We have to add that. It's about from when you that mentality say entrepreneurship can help.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
And I believe say sorry no Africa ye a funny saying spiritual men can say brunsam but I don't believe me.
And you know when you talk about that they think so you're evil.
Yeah.
Because brainwash na do.
Yes, I do. So yes. Yes, a country like China, they don't believe in China ko running nan any Christian country.
But they are ruling.
Yes. I didn't hear.
The world.
Ambeka say unim tumia e bom ho ban. Na na wa wo nyankopon.
Obre.
Obre. Hwe ti Africa, if Africa a forest we say. Bibia bedua bie, you free Africa a country like United Arab Emirates. I had desert. Who free forest?
Oh, eco
desert.
So
what you say? I see sa enema bebre wo kroma. I believe we say fix the bed. Me many problem e o man ka so masem but me ntu obi afo say sora no paneko say ko demonstrate say aban fix the country. One kasa what na kasanka because listen say aban fix the country na say country no economy ni ya. It is not the economy that will determine the scarce about pocket.
It's you.
It's you
as an individual.
And to America, homeless people, America the richest country in the world, but homeless people go streets of begging for money. I didn't hear. And to fix the country now sorry you need a favor. I don't believe in say grace and a money penyeska. Say grace and money penyeska. Into the on what ya saw them on utria tight. I see you need grace, favor to succeed in life. But say busa as of one say, oh no, need sa favor ni biana. Utria tight or crash or them or two offering. I saw the proof that you be into you don't need a wrong and you're not correct. You don't need special grace from heaven to succeed on it.
Yeah.
You have Jesus Christ in you. Christ in you is the hope of glory.
Okay.
So why do you have Jesus Christ in you? You've given your life to Jesus Christ. You were born again. Now we see. I mean, here special grace
to succeed.
To succeed. Elon Musk, 80s. He doesn't believe in Jesus Christ, but he's the richest man on earth.
Wow.
I didn't hear. I didn't know. Onona unbelieve in Jesus Christ now. On made the richest man. No, as of for the Becca just say, brunsam na man na nyasika. Na brunsam na man na nyasika. The Bible say asasi su ani bibia.
Media.
And then the Christopher Motre. I just say any man na ye preach was saw them. Wrong. But come so your antichrist.
All kind of crab be any penny no. Near so your antichrist in the Freemason. You ain't try your home and got one day your basis. Yakwaji Enkrato Aba Oguswa Ehodi Jenny Ewo Adum TV so. And then many coach Eshun and Sh0cking komo enti yending komo pa. Papa, can you help us with 5 things as an entrepreneur? Our warfare or show person start ya brabo. Obey a bema na society.
The first thing any pani here say was sanadrin.
Okay.
And you hear financial education.
Education.
O hear say obeko seminars.
Okay.
Online, and the courses be online.
Okay.
Financial we say about money, about entrepreneurship. Say ni pano esua sa ade ni bi because when sua enya de a obetumi be successful as an entrepreneur. Say we sua sa de. And number 2, say hu say opportunities be bre okroma no say. Minimum be our ton plantations where money for 7 years. Our workers be over 13 or ton plantain chips. That's what I say. And one, second, maybe believe we say, young should be say ginger. Obi out me as young year university. So I was say obi assassin see rent, but me assassin for 5 years. If you want me just 200 cedis. Obi to me GB voter region yade. Started BB say a friend say ginger. Me yen preko. Tom preko. O skakakra Tom preko. Started say o yen preko. We are there, Obia betumi ade, Obia betumi. What I say? Yes, we want to me there okrum.
Okay.
But what Accra, now you are not making money. Accra now what to Accra ya bad. But what to me a kotna baby, outskirt baby, I want you start making money. Or intimate fee say, yeah, local near man one. Yen trust ye befabi. Na yen add value to your local we say. Yes, sir. You betumi. And the third one is you take opportunity with social media.
Yeah.
You have a smartphone. Turn that smartphone into money making machine. My number one office now smartphone. Because madam receiving messages all over the world. But because social media, I say media, when social media person, social media, then but person is successful this 21st century.
It's social media.
Na and to back on obi ni page so the picture crown as the business logo now wrong. So you quite be use sa smartphone they could town. To me they make it I believe I collect be a wo hwe me na so obi a wo tie bia no. So we do business about social media. Social media. I think now shall learn how to use social media to make money.
To make money.
So what I say, yes sir, any pan able to me I successful. And the fourth idea mechanic say, ye who say ye can sika e won krofo mu. Money is in people. Okay. And there say who discover gift be and I say talent be a nyankopon there den e the amount.
Okay.
Now we try say all this talent no e be ye adwuma. Bon. And the last thing I can say knowledge be a wo bia no. Say bia oye work university or knowledge be a wo bia no. Kwan ya be for so obe monetize sa knowledge no egenyesika and I believe so yes sir obe successful.
Oh yes sir obe successful ye dasi pa se wo ba ye na nsa na ye be ye ndi dwumadie yi pacho obe yi ba ko ama me na pacho
and the last thing I'm refi next me dey we count me refi obi a wotie mbia no ansa na obe onya sika try so betua wankasa ho ka ansa na watua bills.
So what you have bills?
Okay. Once the man for say minister and I'm watching me to me save me to be and no uyi tight we as o Christo ni we are try someone kasa betu ya hoka.
Okay.
Oya manjuma every month bia me yen fast standing or dan fan to we pay so the tu ya hoka. Obi nso a oton ade wodum try say every day bia.
Obenya account bi kwa tu ya hoka to e fa unsanka.
The man time say bia the next 5 years 10 years na ready obi obeka say na me sika na 10 years na me ntiase enya no kore but about say 10 years be na what tiase
why yo
what tiase and me first scanning to one for to e wade friend compound interest scan da ho no na e wo ma. Okay. And the to account bi musa e ma na sika na ebe double ana afenso and service scan say odi koto TV odi scan koto ntoma odi scan koto car. No, services can I say investors can to say o pese odi yi hu fudo hiam.
The journey for see me be say how was your first kiss?
My first
kiss.
Wow. Nice.
It was nice.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, okay.
And Obama were no.
Wife.
Honeymoon am yes and I'm yes I didn't.
No, sweet.
Yeah, sweet, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Mama. Yeah, that's the woman I sweet why. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, to nsafre wa beba nsa na abekona futu ba komienu nchia na ye fa dwumadi ne brɛ.
Asema me pese me ka kire obi a woti ne se. Emma obi and in programming wadwe emma on the failure. Fumebre edom ho ato asofo so ene nkrofo bi so obi se me maloto na mabaye sei na wakotu yesika. No, wankasa hwehwe nim dia egma na asase so a wote no wabra ba wo bona besi wuye wabra ba nsi wuye a o makora mpo enye proud say omdo mo sabi so mbaka so papa na so mama nti hwehwe nimdie akiri kwan menka bompaye na mom hwehwe nimdie akiri kwan believe say me koji oil bi na me de pete me store me koji oil bi na me de bedware a saa oil no be mama bra ba sesa enye ne kore oil no eyanwa
oye no eya anwan de na ha na brebe ma ye di djuma de asi na me guest no coach Ekow Eshun ye ne no etwetwe nkomo wa Adum TV so betimi follow no e Instagram or tro ne amapa like the nsem emu da ho se bia every day bia you have something to learn from his page so betimi follow no ansa na e be kwen fa asida ma boa form aso ya se na wo chi bia di djuma de bro na de o share matade Abena Ghana obetimi follow mo Instagram asemba akuna de bia me catch me sinyame wo ma ebe ye midin Eddie Abena Ghana brunga ha for this year macro
Take this life, make you know the rush, make you know the fear, cause when you fall, you rise again.